Hi everyone, welcome to Java Fever. So today we are going to enhance our Java 8 knowledge. So we are covering interview questions. So we have already covered 6 questions. Okay, so three are related to sorting, and four to six are related to group. Okay, and we are covering next questions which is related to highest salary, min max salary, and average salary. So 6, 7, 8 we'll cover in this video. Okay, so let's start from first. So get nth highest salary. So we are going to fetch employee who has nth highest salary. Okay, so we'll do by steam API. So let's start. So I have already did some changes. Okay, so this is the employee class. Okay, I already made to save the time. So need to, so we have already constructor id name salary and age and all getters and setters method. We have test method. So in test method we have already tested the previous questions which is related to steam API. So we have added 5 employees, okay, in a list. So now we are going to perform our questions. So let's start coding. So for that purpose we have to take, we have already one list. So list of employees. So list dot, we'll make it a stream. So we have a stream method. Okay, so now it became a stream, and now first we'll sort, and then we'll skip. So we are going to fetch the second highest. So we are going to sort, and then we'll skip first element because we're going to calculate second highest salary, and then we'll find the first one. Like this we can achieve the first second highest salary. So sorted, we have one sorted method. Okay, there we have to sort. I have already written thing in previous video. We have already sorted everything. This is the, this code, yeah, sort in sending out. So this is already written. So how can we sort? Same code we have to write here, and then we can pick the second highest salary. So sorted. The comparator, we have comparator and dot comparing. Okay. Employee, and then get salary. So it will be sorted by salary. Okay, and then we are going to skip. We are going to find second highest salary. So second highest salary. So we'll skip first element. Okay, second. So we'll skip first element, and then we'll fetch, find first. So this is the way by which we can find the second highest salary. So return type will be the employee emp we are going to fetch. So this will be the list. Return type will be the optional. So yeah, make it optional, and then check it is working or not. So in case of the second highest salary, we have to make here one. So we are skipping one element and fetching the top one. Okay, and in case of third highest salary, one will be 2, and we'll face remaining code will be the same. So like this we can achieve the second highest salary, or nth highest salary. So let's run and check it's working or not. Yeah, so I have run it. We are fetching here 40,000. Salary is here 40,000. Employee ID is 3. Name is Vikas. So let's check. So we have, yeah. So we have 1,20,000, 60,000, 50,000, 40,000, and 10,000. Okay. So here we are getting 40,000. So it's, we are getting the second lowest salary, because we have, what we did here, we have we have sorted, but our sorting is in ascending order. So we have to make it in descending order, because it will fetch the, it will skip first element. That means the, if it will be in descending order, that means the uh, top, that 1,20,000 will be a first, and then 67 will be the second. Okay, so we have to make it in descending order, and then we have to skip 1,20,000, and then we have to face the second element, which is 60,000. Okay, so this code is to find the second lowest salary. So for we have to make descending order. So for that purpose we have reverse method. Okay, so like this we can sort in descending order. So we have sorted employee. Let's check again it's working or not. Yeah, so now we are able to face second highest salary, employee with second highest salary, which is 60,000. Okay, so 1,20,000 is the highest salary, and second highest salary is 60,000. So, so this is the way by which we can fetch second highest salary. And if you remove the reverse, then you will get the second lowest salary. So now let's do the min and max salary. Okay, so we are going to find min and max salary of the employee. Okay, for that purpose, we'll take one list. We have a list dot stream. Okay, and dot, we have min by and max by. Okay, so we'll use which is available in collect method. Collect is a terminal method, so we'll use and we'll calculate the min and max. Okay, so let's just start collect stream, and then collector dot, yeah, we have averaging, we have group by min, min and max by, so min by. Okay, so it's comparator. Okay, so it's asking for comparator, so we here we provide the comparator. Okay, and then comparing, so we are providing in sorting order, min by comparing employee, and then get salary. Min salary, salary emp. So type will be the optional type. Okay, so let's make it optional, and let's check it. So sys out min salary emp. Let's run and check it's working or not. Yeah, so we are getting it 10,000. That means the salary should be 10,000. So we are fetching the employee who has a salary 10,000. Okay, so this is right. So it's working fine. So yeah, so we have 10,000. It is a minimum salary. In collect method, we have in collect method we are taking collectors dot min by. Okay, and then it's taking a comparator, so we are comparing, that means the we are sorting. Okay, by salary, and then we are calculating it the minimum salary. Okay, so this is the way by which we can calculate the minimum salary, and we have max for calculating the maximum salary, we have max by. So only we have to replace min instead of max instead of min. Okay, so let's check, are we getting max salary or not. Let's run. Yeah, here we are getting employee with 1,20,000 salary. Okay, so it's working fine. So yeah, like this we can get min salary and max salary with employee details. Okay, so let's do the third one, which is average salary of all employee. So let's convert quickly. So how can we find average salary of all employees? So we have list of employees, and we'll make the stream, and then collect. This is the terminal method, and same thing we have to do collectors. Okay, collectors dot, we have come averaging double method and averaging int method, averaging long method we can use. So here we are going to use averaging double method. Okay, so here we have to provide the function. Okay, so we are going to provide one employee colon colon, going to use method reference. So salary will be get salary. Okay, yeah. So we have averaging double method. Okay, in collectors. So there we are providing one function. So here we are using method reference employee colon colon get salary, because we want average salary of all employees. Okay, so we are providing a get salary. So let's run and check it's working fine or not. So avj salary, I think it should be long. So let's convert into long, sorry, double d. Yeah, double, it should be double, because we are converting salary into double, averaging double. So let's quickly check it's working or not. Average salary, let's run it. Yeah, we are getting 56,000. Okay, let's verify is it right or wrong. One like 20,000, 10,000, 130, 130 plus 40, 170 plus 5, 220 plus 6, 280. 280 divided by 5. Yeah, so 280 divided 5, that means we are getting 56,000. So this is the correct one. Okay, so by this way we can calculate nth highest salary, and then we can calculate the min and max salary of any employee, and then we can find the average salary of all employees. So this is the way we can write program with the help of the steam apis. So yeah, thanks for watching everyone, and I hope you like my video. If you're liking, please like, subscribe, comment and share the videos. Keep learning, and again we'll meet in next tutorial, next video, to learn new things. Thanks everyone for watching. Bye everyone.